Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 high-performance robot vacuum cleaners for carpet cleaning. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. ZCWA D900 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, ideal for busy households. The ZCWA D900 features a powerful 6,000 pascals suction and an auto-empty dock, making cleaning effortless. With multi-floor mapping, it intelligently navigates different surfaces, offering customized wet and dry cleaning options to keep your home spotless. The advantages of the ZCWA D900 Robot Vacuum Cleaner are high suction power for thorough cleaning, auto-empty dock for hands-free maintenance, multi-floor mapping for efficient navigation. The disadvantages are, initial setup may be complex. Limited app functionalities. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Lefant M1 LDS Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Lefant M1 combines a sleek design with advanced technology, including multi-plane mapping and 4,000 pascals suction. It easily tackles pet hair and debris, while scheduling and apps/Alexa control provide convenient operation for busy pet owners. The advantages of the Lefant M1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner are effective for pet hair removal, voice control compatibility, user-friendly scheduling options. The disadvantages of the Lefant M1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner are battery life may be short, smaller dustbin capacity. At number 3. New Sweeper 3-in-1 Smart Robot Vacuum. The new Sweeper offers versatile cleaning with its 3-in-1 functionality: sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. This wireless vacuum cleaner is designed for home use, ensuring a thorough clean without the hassle of cords or complicated setups. The advantages of the new Sweeper Smart Robot Vacuum are multifunctional cleaning capabilities, wireless operation for easy use, compact design for efficient storage. The disadvantages of the new Sweeper Smart Robot Vacuum are may struggle with thick carpets, limited app integration. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Robot Vacuum Cleaner Liectroux XR500. The Liectroux XR500 robot vacuum features a sophisticated LDS LiDAR laser system and an impressive 6,500 pascals suction. It offers multi-floor mapping and Y-shaped wet mopping, making it an effective solution for comprehensive home cleaning. The advantages of the Liectroux XR500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner are powerful suction for deep cleaning, advanced laser navigation for precision, multi-language voice prompts. The disadvantages of the Liectroux XR500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner are higher price point, potential connectivity issues. At number 1. ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR X8 boasts a laser system for accurate navigation, supporting multiple floor maps and zone cleaning. With restricted area settings, it efficiently cleans carpets and hard floors, ensuring your home remains clean and organized. The advantages of the ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner are zone cleaning for targeted cleaning, user-friendly laser navigation, multi-floor mapping capability. The disadvantages of the ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner are limited battery runtime, may require frequent maintenance.